I can't see shit.
Look at my screen quality. It's because I'm zooming in.
Okay, go!
They're using my torch for this.
I cannot see them.
There they go. Woo!
Happy 4th.
More like happy 3rd.